Hi guys, welcome back to my voice. It's all back to normal. I seem to have chased COVID away without too much trouble. Okay, so today I am gonna go disco. Woo! It's a dog toy, and oh, it's gone. And I bought it to run some paint off. It was €1.50 in the shop today. So I'm gonna sit it there on top of a black background, and I'm gonna pour some neons and vibrant colors over the top of it, and let them fade into the black and see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen any more than you do, but we'll do it together. And excuse me, I'm still not perfect, and we'll have some fun. And you'll be able to repeat it, because why wouldn't you? If it works for me, it'll work for you. Okay, so I'm just going to organize my colors and then we'll get started. Okay, let's start. I have some leftover, oh no, it's not even leftover black. There's plenty of it here. Probably enough for this job actually without going into the bottle. So this is just the black. I'm going to do black background. So let's start it. Okay, let the disco begin. Okay, this goes right as close as I can do to the center. There we go. Ta-da! The disco lights are gone, but that's okay. Let's begin with, I have neon yellow, neon blue, nope, neon yellow, neon pink, what's it called, neon orange. I have turquoise, primary red, and viridian. I'm going to start with the viridian because I only have a little bit of it, and I don't want it to be in the center at the end. So let's start with that. Let's go. This should be a bit of crack. Dog toy Flowcraft or something. Nice, I like how it's moving. So then I'm going to go for the turquoise straight after it. Let's get rid of my sticks. Oh, it's going to roll around, are you? A little bit of the turquoise. That was unexpected. Now I'm going to go straight for my... Wow, okay. Stay. Stay. Yellow, the neon yellow. I'm just gonna have to roll with whatever happens, so we'll see. The orange. I'm trying to balance out the paint. I can see the ball trying to move as I go. The pink. I have to say the ball looks cool. Steady there. There we go. dog toy was a success. We see disco. Disco. Okay, I'm really happy with that. I think it looks nice. I might just tweak a little bit more. You know me, I always overcook things, but I'm gonna just stretch a couple of spots out a little bit more that I think will benefit. There's not too much more, but just a little bit. It's kind of a beautiful rainbow effect. I want to just make a bit more of that. Yeah. And just in a few areas, I don't want to overdo it now. Now, over here. That's nice. Just a couple of little spots, just to subtly raise it up to the next level. That's what I'm trying to do. And I think I don't want to touch it anymore, he says as he goes in one more time. Okay, I'm done. I'm happy. I'm very happy. I'm going to bring you around for a look. I actually think it's very likely that the section you're looking at will be the bottom, but we'll have a look at it from my side. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I turned on the light so we can get a better look at the colours. Hopefully I haven't just put a big giant shine on it. If I have, I will turn off the light. I will turn off the light. One moment. Okay. It's just a lovely modern kind of creaturey. Don't know what to say about it. I just like it. I'm going to rate the dog toy try thingy as a success. It's certainly something I would explore again with different colors. Maybe on a different medium like the MDF board to see what sort of effect it has on that. But lovely, lovely. Thanks for watching. As always, if you've enjoyed this, you can support my channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing the video. I would really appreciate it. It's such a help from everybody that's done it already. Thank you so much. It's great. Thank you so much. Take care, guys. Bye bye.